Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display mobile menu items on center in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in mobile layout. Now expand menu and then you see mobile menu items on left side by default. So we are going to display in center by using custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS and then we are going to add some custom CSS and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So by using this CSS we are going to align mobile menu items on center and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to mobile menu and refresh the page. So this is our mobile menu layout and then you see menu icon. So expand menu and then you see mobile menu item list on center. Now you see home carrier. By default menu item display on left side but we are going to display on center by using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.